Hey guys, how's it going? How to train a custom AI model in Runway ML for your project. So go ahead and open it up and you're gonna be able to see the interface. Now you have a lot of different projects to work on, or it's not the same for me as it is for you. Like for me, maybe I want to generate a video using a script, and for you maybe you want to animate your video or make your video look more cartoonish, right? So select the kind of projects that you want to train the AI for. So in my case, I'm gonna click the plus button, and as you can see, you're gonna see the generative sessions act 1 or video to video, which I'm gonna use, for example. Right, I'm not gonna upload any video or anything, just add your video or record your video and then add the style. Okay, and as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see the style for your video that you want to animate or make it look more so more like so what the AI wants or whatever. Right, and then add your video, of course, and then hit generate at the bottom right, and you're gonna wait, of course, for a few moments, and then you're gonna be able to see the final results for your video. So another way of training the AI model, you can click the plus button and go to the generative session, and then as you can see right here, for example, this is my own picture, right? You can add your picture or video, whatever that might be for you, and then describe your shot. Okay, here's a description of the prompt that you want to generate, right? This is the description for the prompt you want to generate. So you can describe you can be as detailed as possible to let the AI know what exactly the things that you want to add onto this video or picture, right? And select the timeline, of course. Okay, 10 seconds, 5 seconds. And basically you can see right here the filter. You can see the seed, right? Meaning like you can name that project. And if you don't want a watermark, you can just go ahead and add upgrade and then subscribe to their features, right? And you can be as detailed as possible. Let's say sitting in the park, right, for example, and then hit generate at the bottom right, and then get away for a few moments, of course, and you're gonna be able to see your projects being used. So if you didn't like what you see, you can go out, of course, and erase the prompt right after they generate it, and then be as detailed as possible and refine your demands for this video, okay, or for this photo to be exact. Okay, and then hit generate and gonna be able to see the final results. Okay, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.